Ahoy, me buccaneers. Today we're gonna be talking about pirates. Let's take a closer look. Hello everybody, welcome to the world of Micah. Should I talk like a pirate the entire time? Today I am here in Adventureland to show you guys everything you and your family can do as far as pirates are concerned here at the Magic Kingdom. We're gonna travel around Adventureland. I'm gonna show you guys everything you can do as far as pirates go. Let's take a closer look. Now before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button because it'll keep you updated with my latest video, and hey, it's free. Now a good thing to do when you first get here in Adventureland to start your day off as a pirate is walking around and taking in some of the sights, but there's actually a scavenger hunt you can do while you're taking in some of the sights. And it's here at the Pirates Adventure Treasure of the Seven Seas. All right, I got the Blackbeard map, and as you can see, it's a real pirate map, and I've got to look for this symbol here, and it's located right over here. Well, that's Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room, so let's go to the Tiki Room. All right, I'm here at the Tiki Room now to find it. All right, we're looking for this symbol, and there it is. All right, I just gotta touch my magic band on here. Aha! Oh, wow, look.
Blackbeard, that man have no respect for the sea.
She's talking about Blackbeard.
Calypso's magic will show us where they be headed. Look close. There, at the rocks near that sand dollar.
Oh, wow.
Your stations, men. Consult your
All right, that is our next spot. We gotta find the ship's wheel. There it is. All right, it's located back over here near where we started. All right, our next clue is in this passage right over here. Oh yeah, difficult to find, but there it is. All right, let's see what happens. Ooh, look at the bottles. Oh, they're shooting at us. Oh, they're shooting at each other. Wow, the ships and the bottles are having a... Oh, he's sinking. He's sinking, look. The ship is sinking.
We surrender. Look down there. Below the cabinet. The magical knife will appear there.
All right, now we're looking for the cannon. From knowing my way around Adventureland, I know there's a cannon right over here. Aha, there it be. Oh, wow, check it out. Whoa, it just went and hit that thing right over there, the little bell. That's crazy. All right, now we've got to find the swords right here. There's the swords. Look at this. What's gonna happen? Oh, look.
Curse you. The treasure of the Mediterranean's power is mine.
Oh, wow, the photograph up here, the painting came alive.
You know this. You'll never be safe from the wrath of Blackbeard.
And that's it. I completed this map of Blackbeards. Now they do have several maps that will take you on different adventures all throughout Adventureland. And in case you're wondering, you just use your magic band, your park ticket, and this map right here is free. To play the game is free. It's a lot of fun. But let's continue our day of being a pirate. If you've ever wanted to eat like a pirate, be sure to stop off here at Tortuga Tavern. They have things from Chipotle barbecue short rib all the way to hot dogs, turkey legs, pepper jack pretzels, all kinds of good things. Be sure to check out the code of conduct here at the Tortuga Tavern because they tell you right here, no monkeys. Ye be warned. Check out this huge mural of Blackbeard. How neat is that? Check this out. In this book, they have the crew roster of the Black Pearl, and you can see Hector Barbossa's name was scratched out. Jack Sparrow signed it. There's Gibbs. Everybody's on here. William Turner. That's a really, really cool little prop they have. And next to it is Queen Anne's Revenge. The captain is Edward Teach, but if you look, there's Angelica. She's the first mate. I've always wanted to know who this pirate is. All kinds of pirate details inside the Tortuga Tavern. That place is pretty cool. Now, the next stop is right over here at the Pirates League, where your kid and you can become pirates. It's a lot like the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. You basically go in, they get you all dressed up and makeup and everything done so you can look like a pirate. See what I mean? Check this out. you or your kid could have this exact look. Now there's all kinds of different costumes you can choose from. If you're into pirate stuff, this is definitely a place you want to check out. Just for the details. Man, if they had this in my size, I'd buy it. And this is where the magic happens. Next stop on our list is gonna be right here for Captain Jack's Pirate Tutorial. Pretty much like the Jedi Training Academy they have over at Hollywood Studios, except over here, you dress up as a pirate and then, well, I'll just show you the show.
So, it's a pirate's life you plan to seek, eh? Do you seek adventure? The captain asks, do you seek adventure?
Yes!
Do you seek a reputation as someone to be reckoned with? Do you seek treasure beyond your wildest dreams? Always. Let's put the lot of you to the test and see if you have what it takes. Now, are you ready?
And we're gonna end our day here riding Pirates of the Caribbean. Because I feel like a swashbuckling adventure with some pirates is the best way to end our day. And try to see if you can find the pirate oath here in the queue for Pirates of the Caribbean. It's signed by Captain Jack Sparrow. Oh yes, here we are. Oh look, Blackbeard. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but they removed the mermaid that used to be over here. She was right over here in this area. They've completely removed that scene.
Show yourself, you miserable cur!
There he is, Captain Jack.
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egglet.
Not lest there be laying golden eggs!
Belay there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
Watch the run! Watch the run!
It never gets old. And when you exit the ride, you'll be able to shop for all things Pirates of the Caribbean, including costumes and accessories, the latest in pirate hat gear, and pirates t-shirts. Well, mateys, I believe we have done it. We successfully did everything you can do here as far as pirates go. And although we didn't have any rum, I hope you had lots of fun. So the next time you're here in Adventureland and want to spend your day being a pirate, now you know exactly what you have to do to be one. There's almost enough here to spend an entire day doing nothing but things that have to do with pirates. It's pretty cool. So that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did enjoy this episode, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know you guys are liking what you're watching. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button because it keeps you updated with my latest video and it's free. I hope you guys had a lot of fun knowing everything you can do here as far as pirates are concerned here at the Magic Kingdom. Until next time, everybody, stay weird. Goodbye.